So a new package just arrived in the studio. Obviously we're gonna unbox and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside this box. Now this is a package that was delivered via DHL. It's coming from MyUS. I shopped most of the things, if not all things here, from the Amazon US, not Amazon ZA. Amazon ZA tends to arrive much quicker. You can even choose next day delivery. But when it comes to Amazon US, this is actually the fastest I've received a package. Obviously came from MyUS. So I requested the shipping for MyUS on Thursday. Today is Monday. The package is with me. Normally it would take around 5 working days, but this was the quickest I've gotten a package. So we have 3 items here on the box. First one is, let's start with this here. This is a watch cover, watch case. Got it from Amazon. I just wanted to try something different. Normally this feels very cheap. It was cheap, but it sort of feels very cheap. I wanted to try a different style of case for my Apple Watch. Normally I just get these bands here, but this time I decided, you know what, let me try something new. So I bought this little case here that's gonna make my watch look like a G-Shock watch. Hopefully it fits properly. There we go, it's in. My phone just, oh, I thought my watch just died there for a second. This is actually cool. It's gonna look a bit bigger than the usual, but it seems like it works fine. I bought this thing for, I think, $907. It was very affordable. That's around, what, 180, 150 rands. I wanted to try and have a bulky watch for once. There we go. There were other colors there, but I decided to buy the clear as the first one I buy, just to check it out, and then I might buy new colors. This actually looks nice. Looking at it like this looks less nicer than looking at it on the camera. This is dope. Look at that. The watch itself is already big, but with this little case, it makes it seem like a G-Shock watch. So next up we have the case that caused chaos on TikTok. This case has been sitting on my MyUS suit for a bit now, eh? I think since mid-July, if I'm not mistaken. So let's chuck that thing on the side and unbox the case. This is a case by Elago. Elago is a accessories company. They make cases, stands, charger, wireless chargers, and so on. This is a case for an iPhone 16e, which I don't own yet, but I might be buying one soon. The only reason I bought this case is because it reminds me of the iPhone 2G. I think it comes in two compartments, or it comes in 2 pieces. One is the plastic inside, and the other one is this metal piece here that I'm trying to remove. Okay, this is, nah, it's not metal, it's plastic too. So it has this metal piece here and this plastic piece that comes on the inside, and then you just assemble your case. This case looks huge. It's gonna make the phone also look huge. I think it looks as big as my iPhone. Yeah, this is almost the same size, damn. So this case is gonna make the phone look very bulky, phone that I don't really have yet. But it's gonna make it feel bulky, but it's gonna make it look good if I do buy it. So at the back you have the serial number, model, designed by Elago in California. Normally you get designed by Apple in California, designed by Apple in California, yes, manufactured in China. And this is an 8 gig. Back then we used to get 8 gig phones. So this is the Elago case. They have their own website. They don't only sell things on Amazon. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this case. Lastly, we have an Android tablet. For those who say an Apple glazer, I also use Android. Although this thing I bought it for a specific reason. There is a task I want to do and the app only works on Android devices. The app is called MyUS. I want to automate an activity so it does it on itself. Unfortunately, I cannot do that on my Apple devices. So let's unbox this guy. This tablet was really affordable. The brand is good and has good reputation. The tablet was, if I'm not mistaken, $84. Normally it goes for around 110, 120. So the price tends to fluctuate a lot. So this is an Android tablet. Lenovo, it's 9-inch. Has an octa-core processor. That was one of my main concerns. You have an all-day battery. You have a thin and light, stylish design. So let's check the device itself. We're in. Okay. In the box, you get another box and a secondary box. If I remember correctly, this thing might actually come with a case. So on the smaller box, you get the case. Yes, that's one other reason I bought this, because I was going to need it to sort of sit on the table, and instead of buying a stand, it's a good thing that it comes with a stand case already on the inside. Oh, it also comes with a screen protector. Apple fanboy, surprised that tablets should come with screen protectors in case. Anyways, that's the screen itself. I mean, the case itself, it just directs you on how you make it stand. Basically, I'm gonna have it seated like this on my main desk there, where I do the actual activity that I was mentioning. This is the tablet itself. Let's put the case on the floor. We'll try it. After we finish unboxing, you have SIM ejector tool. Wow, this is I didn't know it took a SIM card. It's a 3G or a 4G tablet. SIM ejector tool, Lenovo. That's it on the side. And then you have, charging brick. As you guys can see, American prongs here. And then you have USB-A to USB-C accessory. Let's put that back. We might not even use that because I have enough cables there with me already plugged on the desk. Oh, that's basically it. Already plugged on the desk. Man, you watch this. I think I'm gonna buy other colors as well. Okay, so we don't need that. We don't need this either. And now let's unbox the device. Yay. Build quality, already love it. Is this metal or plastic? Yeah, this is plastic, but feels really premium. Nice. Okay, so let's power it on. Before we do that, let's go. We have a speaker here in the bottom, speaker in the top. You have the USB-C connector here. You still get 3.5mm jack. You have the camera at the back. You have this sort of shape here at the back. It's not really, doesn't protrude, but you can actually feel that there is something there, but it's much flash. You have the power button there. Volume up and down. The SIM tray is right there. I actually like how this tablet feels. Let's power it on. Hopefully it has juice. There we go. It does have juice. You guys can see, it's on the bezel full side. It doesn't have thin bezel. I keep looking that side because my camera on top, the monitor is there. This camera here, monitor is there. So don't mind me. So now let's try putting it in a case. There we go. Straightforward. Closes normally. As I mentioned, this will probably be seated on my main desk like this. Just chilling like that. Yeah, if you want to see more on this device, drop me a comment down below. And these are all the things I got from Amazon, and we're just gonna make it chill there. Let's also remove maybe the watch, or maybe not. This is a Lenovo tablet and a Lego case for my soon to come Apple iPhone 16. 16E and the watch case. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like. This will be it for this video. I'll catch you guys on my next one. Peace.